Good morning, class 1. So, I hope you all are keeping well by the grace of God, right? So, you must have enjoyed the vacation though you were at home. Okay, wherever you are, be safe, right? So, now we are proceeding towards our unit test 1, right? So, I will take your English literature class. If you have any doubt, children, you can send me message if you have any doubt, and I think today you will get your syllabus also. Okay, now I'll talk about English literature. This is your English literature book, and the syllabus of English literature is chapter 1 to 3, and then two poems, The Baby Chicks and Itsy Bitsy Spider. So this Itsy Bitsy Spider is already done to you, and chapter 1 to 3 is also done, and today we will start with a poem. Okay, that is Baby Chick. And one more thing, after completing this, please open your book at page number 31, that is 3131. This is page number 31. The back exercises. Okay, the big exercises of chapter 2. Right, Priya's house. Chapter 2 was Priya's friend. Right. So the big exercise I will send you, and I will explain to you also in one more video this use of a and and. I think we have not done this. Right. So after I do this poem, I will do page number 31. So you all be ready with your pencil and the book, and in the book itself you will write. Okay, so this one we will do in the next class. Okay, today we will do the poem, that is Baby Chick. So you take out your book and open your book at page number 41. Page number 41. Baby Chick. Here you can see the picture of an egg. Egg is very what? It is one of the most favorite food of especially the children, like, right. Now see, we will learn about, we can see an egg here, then we can see chicks coming out of the egg. See, so chicks also, what do you mean by chick? Chick means the young one of a hen. Young ones of a hen, it is called chick. So let us see what is there in the poem. So let us read a poem and find how a chick comes out of an egg. So we all know that chicks means the baby chicks, the young ones of a hen. It comes out from where? It comes out from an egg. Okay, now how it comes? So let us read about this, how a chick comes out of an egg. Let us read the poem. Now see, all will read with me. Peck, peck, peck. On the warm brown egg, out comes an egg, out comes a leg. How does a chick who's not been about discover the trick of how to get out? And this poem is written by Aline Fisher. Okay, now here see, peck peck peck. Peck 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 is what? It is the sound made by the chick, the baby chick. Okay, peck peck peck. This is the sound. Okay. So when we make sound in the door, we say what? Knock the door, right? We knock the door. What is the sound made by rain called? When rain falls, it also make a sound. What is the sound called? Pitter patter, right? So in the this way, so peck 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 here refers to the sound made by the chick when it is inside the egg. Okay, so here said on the warm brown egg. How is the egg? What is the color of the egg? Here we are describing the egg, that is, it is brown. The color of the egg is brown, and it is warm also. It is not very cold and very hot. It is just warm. Okay, a little hot. Okay, then what happened on the warm brown egg? Out comes an egg. First, when the chick wants to come out, when they come out of the egg, what happened? What comes out? First, the egg comes out. Okay, so here the poetess is saying that from inside the egg, first a little chick is trying to come out. Okay, then what happens when it break open the egg? What happens then? This neck of the chick comes out first, and then out comes a leg. Then the leg of the egg the chick comes first. The neck of the chick comes out from the egg, and then the leg of the chicks. Okay, the legs then comes out. How does a chick who is not been about? What is the meaning of who's not been about? It means who doesn't know anything. Now the poet is surprised. Okay, now how do this chick know the trick of coming out of the egg? Okay, so it knows how to come out. Now who taught the chick? No one, right? So the um, poet is also surprised and makes us surprised that by saying that how this little chick know how to come out from the egg. Okay, so how does a chick who is not been about, means who knows nothing, discover, make out, mr discover means to find out something, right? So discover the trick of how to get out, how she knows how to get out from the egg. Okay, so this is how in this picture, with this picture you can see first the egg is there in the nest, na. This is a picture of a nest. So the birds, they lay eggs on the nest. Then what happens? Now it is pecking, means talk talk talk, it is making the sound. It means that now it is time for her to come, for the chick to come out. Okay, now then what happened? First, when the egg breaks open, then what happened? The neck comes out first. Then what happened? After that, the legs of the chick comes. Okay, the legs, see, both the legs, it came out from inside the egg. And then the whole chick, it break open the shell of the egg, and the chick came out, and see, it is looking so beautiful, right? Right. So this is in this poem we have learned about a little chick who knows the trick of coming out from the egg, and the poetess is also surprised to see this. Okay, now here an egg is also described. What is the color of the egg? Brown. How, what is the shape of the egg? It is oval in shape, right? Oval in shape. Yes, and it is warm brown egg. It is warm, little hot. Okay. So this is the poem. You have to learn it. Let us once again do this one. Recite the poem. We'll recite it. Peck, peck, peck. On the warm brown egg, out comes the nest. Out comes a nest. Out comes a leg. How does a chick who is not been about discover the trick of how to get out? This is the poem. So learn the spelling and everything, and write it down in your CW copy also, children. Okay, done. So there is no difficult word as such, but learn the spellings. Spelling you have to learn, like brown, warm, 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 brown, BROW, and brown. Yes, then about, ABOUT, about. All this word spellings you have to learn. Discover, DISCOVER. Maybe this is a new word for you, so you have to write this, means learn the spellings also. Okay, then take care. See you in the next class with the basic exercises of chapter 2, that is the use, how to use, where to use A and where to use N. Okay, so this is the end of the class. In the next class we will do this. Thank you.